No, absolutely not. We're turning that off.
It's a real gunshot. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. How's it going, everyone? My name is Nate, and this is
Amanda.
And as you just saw, we tuned our F80 M3 on MHD. So this F80 platform is just on a whole different level. All this is done through your phone. It is so crazy. It is literally 100 horsepower sent right through the mail to your house on your phone. So it's been now 2 weeks since we tuned the M3. We are running a Stage 2 Plus map on E30. And my honest opinion is it feels really good. The fuel consumption isn't even that bad. The throttle response is there, and just the capabilities of this platform is endless. I went from such a hater of BMW to such a glazer now, because this car has exceeded my expectations. I'm about to show you guys a rundown of the MHD app right now. So here's a look of the MHD app. Guys, it's literally so simple to navigate through. These are the maps that I'm running. It's basically just a 91, 2 E30s, and another 91. You have options such as anti-lag, your boost target, your throttle response. All these options, exhaust, burble, starter roar, cold start noise reduction. Anything you want is done through this app, and that is just one of my favorite things about it, is that it's just so simple. Now, should you get MHD for your BMW? My answer is yes. I think you should absolutely get MHD. It is so fun and exciting when you're like first tuning the car. Now I'm gonna show the video of us installing the MHD for the first time. Again, it was really fun and exciting. I struggled a little bit, but we got through it. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Now I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So we're just gonna get right into it because I hope it's pretty self-explanatory. This is the universal adapter that you purchase from MHD or like ECS tuning, Euro tuning, wherever you want to get this from, right? And all of this is you just plug into OBD2. So we just connected our super license with the MHD tuning. I'm not gonna show step by step though, because if I press this button and if I run you guys through the steps, I'm gonna expose my information, and I'm not sure how powerful the internet is yet, so I don't want to test that. But basically, you make an account, and that account is basically for your car. You can't transfer it to, let's say, the Supra, for example, if it was MHD, or another F80. You can't. Your license is your license. Keep the information safe. So stage 0 is you just bought the car, but you want MHD. Stage 0 Plus is you're too scared to buy downpipes, so you just want to tune the car OEM style, which is, I mean, totally fine. 500 horsepower allegedly. Stage 1 says for stock. Stage 2 says upgraded downpipes recommended. Okay, so we are Stage 2 Plus.
Yeah, but I think try to flash Stage 1 and go to Stage 2 Plus.
Really?
I think you should try to flash like first.
I'm gonna go straight to Stage 2. I want all the power. We're getting right into this video, babe.
Okay.
What?
You're not connected to the Wi-Fi, that's why. There, MHD.
Sorry, we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi. Oh, there you go. Long right options, exhaust, burbles, what?
Oh yeah, so you can change like the burbles, like how aggressive it is, and I'm pretty sure. Like, cause apparently, if let's say someone else is driving your car, you could set it to a tune so people can go fast. Cause it's like, you could put the speed stuff, remove top speed limiter. Just leave it like that, and then it says exhaust burbles. Like, if you want exhaust burbles, turn it on.
Yeah.
Or
yeah. All the way.
No, like
Hell
middle.
nah.
Just put middle.
It's like
put the middle.
This is like number way to kill your car. Fuck. All from your phone. Whoa. What?
Hard. Go medium. Go medium.
Let's just max it out.
Bro.
For now. Oh, what? I changed something.
What'd you change?
I didn't mean to change it. Well, look at this startup roar.
What's that?
What am I, lying? This is really powerful. Go back, right?
Yes, go back. And then long right, I think. Go. I think that's flashing it now.
Mission malfunction. Increase steer effort, drive moderate. Parking lamp malfunction. TPM malfunction. Daytime parking lamp malfunction. Collision warning system inactive. Rear axle differential lock. We're done. This car is done. That's not a startup roar. That is not a startup roar. Okay. Alright, there's a difference for sure. And I don't like it. Alright. So right now we're on map 2. I only adjusted map 1 and map 2. Map 2, I maxed it out. I'm gonna be that guy. Me letting off the gas at 35 miles per hour.
Popcorn.
What the? Nah.
Sounds like
Nah, this is not. That's not cool.
I think those pops are way too loud. Too loud. No, absolutely not. We're turning that off. Absolutely not. Okay, I'm gonna tell him no more because I'm honestly scared that the cops will be called because it's pretty loud and this is like a really nice neighborhood in a way. So we're not gonna do it anymore.
So we're at the gas station to pump E85 right now. It's actually only going to be E30. On the F80 platform, you need a high pressure fuel pump in order to go full E85. Anyways, we are now flashing again for a transmission tune. I went with the GTS style tune. It's of course the maxed out one. Huh?
What?
Oh. Bruh, I use the yellow one.
Yeah.
First time? Okay. Alright. Yeah. Well, I think I do. I don't know. I'm just enjoying it. So right now, my girl is gonna have her turn in the rocket ship. Literally what it is now, right?
I want him to feel the passenger because I was like, I literally.
Oh gosh. I'm so in love with this car. I thank you every day. Thank you.
You deserve it.
Yo, I got no idea what that dude was saying. I don't know truck language like that. But I don't know. Dude's coming back. I don't know. Yeah. Are you cool dude though? I wonder if people look at me and they know what I'm doing. Like why I have this on my head. That truck was very nice. I respect that he waited. Usually people don't wait. It feels so good to have a car with some real power. No offense to my 350Z or anything, that DE was strong. That DE motor was so strong, it took such a beating from me. Plus that CD trans took such a beating as well. Who is honking? It's real gunshots. Holy sh! Oh my gosh! Who is honking at me? I don't understand.